Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Robinhood investing series. So, I've been showing you guys most of the good days so far. Now, with investing, there are going to be good days and bad days. So, today was a bad day. My portfolio is down 2.93%, and I do believe just overall the market's down today. Let's see here. S&P 500 is down 1%. Dow Jones is down 1.39%. Let me just show you guys a couple of things I did while I was down, but let me just show you guys my week. So my week overall, I'm still up 0.77%, which isn't a lot. You see we had a really nice break over here on April 9th, and then this huge drop happening over the weekend and into today. Overall, within a year's time, I'm still up 6.62% or $148. Which I'm still pretty happy about. So if there ever comes a point where it's under this line here, then in which case I'm going to start pouring in a bunch of extra money into my portfolio. And let me show you guys how much equity I have in certain stocks. So in O, which is down today, which is why most of my portfolio is negative today, I have almost $650 in there and almost $500 into Walmart. $360 into McDonald's, $165 into Microsoft. And today I actually decided to go into it's a cruise line company. Now, I do believe they recently had some major investors from Saudi Arabia. And to my knowledge, the people that are buying into this stock has had a very good history of choosing really good stocks. Apparently, they previously invested into Tesla right before they hit their peak of $900 per share. And I do believe Tesla had a really good day today. I think they're up around 10%. I don't have any shares of Tesla, but I decided to go into this one because if you're just looking at the 3-month period, it was at like 50 cents per share. And right now, only about $12. So I was able to buy in with the average cost of $11.56. I have 11 shares. And they do pay a dividend. Let me just look that up real quick. Okay, so they pay a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share. So I'd say that's a relatively good stock to have. I mean, even if it doesn't go back up to the positive, or at least up to around like $30, $40, $50, I'm still pretty happy with investing in about an $11 stock that's paying out about 50-cent dividend per quarter. And I have 11 shares of that, so pretty happy. Right now, I'm just down 10 cents over the whole day, so not too bad right now. And I decided to purchase another share of Delta Airlines because they do pay out a quarterly dividend, and my current return is $2.11. So I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. But as you can see, everything else in the red. Now, let me show you guys my total loss and gains for everything. So on O, I'm still up $41, Walmart up almost $30, McDonald's $5. Like I said, I am down on that stock that I purchased today. Delta up $2. And look, hey, it went to the green. That's because we're recording this during slightly after market hours. And like I said, just everything is down just a couple bucks. I mean, not a huge deal for me because I'm planning on investing in this portfolio for the next 5 years. My strategy moving forward on days that are slightly negative but not super negative is I'm going to slowly start to buy more shares of the S&P 500. Today I put in about $10 in here. I'm currently up 10 cents, but I decided on negative days that the S&P 500 has, I'm just going to throw either $5, $10, maybe $20 depending on what is going on. And I'm also going to be purchasing extra shares of O in addition to Walmart and Microsoft. I was thinking about purchasing more Boeing. I actually think I got rid of Boeing at this point. I can't even find it. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not here. I think I sold it today because I wasn't sure where that one was going and I didn't feel comfortable with it. But I've been slowly figuring out like, all right, which stocks do I want to keep and which stocks do I want to sell? Like I've been doing a lot more research and just thinking, okay, say if I made a profit of about $7 on the share, I'll just sell it. And then if it goes down next week, then maybe I'll buy it again and then just hold it until it goes up a few percentage points and then just eat the profits and then just buy something that is going low. So I'm experimenting with shorting stocks at the moment. Again, this is all for entertainment purposes only. Not saying that this is a guaranteed way to make money. If anything, like investing in stocks, there's a chance that you could lose everything. But this is a fun new thing that I'm trying to get into and just playing around with it, seeing what could come from it. And I hope you guys enjoy the journey. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.